Hello guys. Ito yung hapunan ko tonight. Cube steak with onion and potato. Ito yung cube steak niya. Hindi ko na binidyo yung paano ko niluto. Brinown ko lang yung cube steak. And then nag-brown ako ng onion. Yummy. At saka potato. Yummy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and share. Bye.